Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody is doing great. In today's video, let me just tell you, this is a problem that I have been getting on my emails, on my messages, on my Instagram post, on my Facebook post, on YouTube. People have been asking me, how do you buy these games for Ivan, or how do you buy gifts for kids for their birthdays or for some parties? Let me just tell you, it's not easy. It's not easy to go pick up gifts or look for the best option out of those 1,000 options that are available. Plus there's always value that you're looking for, also that you're looking for it's an innovative gift the child should enjoy. You cannot be ending up giving books to kids because they will definitely stop liking you and stop hanging around with your kid. That's my kind of mom. I plan to bombard kids with the books because that's what their parents say, but sometimes you have to buy cool games. I'm always looking out for good games and innovative ones, especially on the market, but the ones that are not very heavy on my pocket. Always have a budget in mind, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some really cool birthday gifts. Let me show it to you. There is a blend of arts and crafts, there is science, so let's go check it out. But before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that every time I post a new video you are notified immediately. So let's get going. So guys, the 10 games that I'm going to be showing you today is a perfect blend for boys and girls both, plus for family, and plus a project that everybody can do together. So the first one that I'm going to show you today is a STEM DIY dream catcher. It's a perfect weave and create activity. The packaging looks more towards the girls, so I would definitely give that away. So it's simple, trendy, and plus a modern touch, and it's not very expensive on the pocket. This one is absolutely my favorite. As soon as I saw, I knew one of Vivan's friends is gonna love it. It's a STEM experimenting kit, and guess what? It's a bubblegum lab. So you can make your own bubblegum. You have all the ingredients, instructions. It's very kid safe. It has 4 experiments. The manual is inside, and again, this is for age 6+. So this is definitely girl, boy, both. I think it's going to be a pretty cool one. 3 is called the Parallel Caps. You would have seen a lot of these activities, but this one is a little different because this one actually can create into simple arts. And if you could see that there is a tweezer for the kids to hold this one is primarily for age 8+ because there are around 4,000 beads in it, and you can make as many different designs as you can. I think the boys and girls age 8+ would definitely love this. This is by Snap Circuits. It makes learning electronics a snap. I would be reviewing this one and a couple of more in detail in the coming videos, but this is definitely a yes from my side. The next one I think is my personal favorite if I had to pick up a game for myself or something to do, which is science plus art. This definitely here will win all the charts. And this is a painting plus crystal growing unicorn kit. It looks beautifully gorgeous. So all the ingredients are inside here. It is STEM based. This says age 8+. You have everything on the package, all the instructions, all the materials, and I think this would be one cool toy. The next one, which is definitely Smartivity. I love them. Smartivity is now available in US easily. It's at Michael's. You could just pick it up. It's at Target. It's at different stores. So I have picked up the one which is Kaleidoscope, and I thought this would be fun for kids 6+ to do a little bit of science. Gifts, I love this glow-in-the-dark wristbands, creativity for kids. I think this involves, this could be done as a group activity of group of kids together if they want to do some kind of art. So creativity for kids by Faber-Castell. They have some really amazing toys. You should definitely check it out. I am sure you guys would have all seen Operations. This is 6+, and I have seen this on so many TV shows. I've read so many reviews on this. This is primarily, is there a doctor in the house? You have a lot of things that needs to be done here. You get the buzzer. I think I will show you the sneak peek when we will play this game. So some of the games I've picked up for Vivan, some of them are for his friends. One gift that I think is family oriented is called Beat That. This is the Bombers Battle of Wacky Challenges. You have tons of cards in here. You have all the material that you need for a game night in this little box. And let me just tell you, There is nothing more that you need if you are planning a family night or if you have a game night in your house. This is what you need. One of the family games that you could do or you could gift it is a tie and dye party kit. It comes with 36 colors and everything else. You would need to buy a t-shirt separately, but I think this is cool. I am sure the kids would love it, especially it's spring and summer coming in. I really think this would top the charts, and this was my pick number 10. So that's it, guys. I hope you like it. I'm linking all of them in the description box below, and you would have the Amazon links to buy them. If you have any one of them, or if you have any more toys that you want for me to see in a particular genre, do let me know. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.